Hello children, today we are going to learn about farm animals. But before that, what is a farm? A farm is a place where a farmer grows different vegetables and fruits and keep different animals that are useful to us. Now, let us look at different farm animals. First we have cow and goat. They give us milk. Then we have sheep. They give us wool. Next we have duck and chicken. We get eggs and meat from them. Then we have pig. We get meat from them. Then we have a horse. It helps us to pull carts from one place to another. Next we have a dog. It guards a farm. So children, I hope you have understood about farm and the different farm animals today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.